become a dealer, we are looking for new dealers in your area. The sixth reason to become a Päijän dealer. A classic by design, a modern boat by engineering. With experience from over 70,000 rowing boats, Päijän has been refined over more than 55 years into a modern premium rowing boat, inspired by the land of 1,000 lakes. The most stable rowing boat on the market, exceptional stability creates confidence, comfort, and safety on the water. Patented double-hull fiberglass construction. An unsinkable structure designed for safety, durability, and long-term performance, with built-in internal conduits for electrical wiring that make clean and functional on-board installations easy. The only multi-purpose premium rowing boat on the market. A unique combination of premium quality, versatility, and a wide accessory range, including modular and telescopic air-on oars, comprehensive fishing equipment, sunbed solutions, rails, and much more. Built to last, and built to be repaired. With full gel coat surface coverage and a life cycle of more than 50 years, Päijän is designed for long-term ownership, easy repair, and added peace of mind through a 5-year warranty. Aligned with today's boating trends, Päijän meets the growing demand for well-being, fishing, sustainable leisure, and modern electric boating. Become a Päijän Boats dealer. We offer an attractive startup package for new dealers. Contact us today and discover the opportunity.